This is the axis of the horse. So the axis of the horse that has the main differentiating points क्या क्या होते हैं. So it is usually longer as compared to that of ox. तो ये ox की है, it is usually longer. ठीक है, longer as compared to the axis of the cattle. ठीक है. The odontoid process, this is the odontoid process of the den. It is projected forwards and it is lip-like होता है. It is lip-like, and here the dorsal surface of the odontoid process is less concave. अब इसको देखेंगे. This is concave. This in case of the cattle, while as here you can see this is less concave and it is lip-like, and it presents two depressions. दो depressions होते हैं यहाँ पे odontoid process पे. So this is the first difference. Second is it is longer as compared to that of the cattle. ठीक है. This is the foramen, intervertebral foramen. This intervertebral foramen, it is oval shaped. You can see here the intervertebral foramen in case of the cattle. This is circular, but here it is oval shaped. And sometimes this intervertebral foramen, it is incomplete. Here it is very close to here the anterior notch. So sometimes this boundary it is absent and this intervertebral foramen it becomes incomplete. This is the suprasupinous process. The height of the suprasupinous process it increases as we move backwards. ठीक है, इसकी height बढ़ जाती है, and then here from the center it bifurcates into two regions. ये एक रीज है, ये दूसरी रीज है. These two regions they finally terminates above the posterior oblique processes. They terminate above the posterior oblique processes. ठीक है. So this is the suprasupinous process of the axis of the horse. And this is the transverse process. The transverse process it is generally thin as compared to that of the cattle. You can see here this is thick, while as here it is thin. And here you can see this is the foramen transversarium here. This is the foramen transversarium. And the location of foramen transversarium here in the here you can see that at the posterior notch and opens into the circular intervertebral foramen. But in case of the horse, it is located just below and at the base of the transverse process. Okay. These are some differentiating points of the axis of the horse.